Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. Following that, select Display section and then click on Display Refresh Rate. Following that, just click on the best option for you in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!